Please, Your Lordship, I beg to file a mention memo for tomorrow's date.
What?
I beg to file a mention memo for tomorrow's date.
What is the urgency?
It's an anticipatory bail application, Your Lordship. Highly obliged.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, Your Lordship. I have taken the consent of the other party. They'll come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You're for the
Petitioner, Your Lordship.
pre-made petitioner, matters adjourned. List the same after 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter could come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Is that low vector?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why?
We have no objection. Let's
Why are you
request.
dealing with this matter?
There's some personal difficulties with the conducting counsel, Your Lordship.
You're for
I'm for respondent 2 and 3, Your Lordship.
low vector.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are the one who, in the first place, who insisted that you ought to be in the proceedings.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're dealing the issue on pre-made by the respondent number
2 and 3, Your Lordship.
3, seeking through learned counsel, seeking accommodation on ground of the indisposition of the learned conducting counsel. Same not be objected to by the petitioner. Matters adjourned. List is after 2 weeks.
Let it be after 3 weeks, man. That day I will be out of station, as I said, 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Your Lordship, a similar prayer for item number 5, Your Lordship.
Same order. Here you are.
I'm for
You are
respondent 1 and 2, Your Lordship, in this matter.
Hakatuka 5, I 1 and 2.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 8 on behalf of Mr. H. Kharwalla. Kindly have the matter after 2 weeks, my lord.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Prayer is made on behalf of the respondent, state respondent, on the ground that the learned additional senior GA who is conducting the matter being indisposed. The same not being objected to by the petitioner. Pray aloud. This matter after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Highly obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 to 12, Your Lordship.
Why? You're for?
For the petitioners, Your Lordship.
These are those cancellation of bail.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, even 13 is a connected matter.
What is the stage of the case?
It's for evidence. 9 to 12 pertain to a different case, which is fixed for evidence. 13 is Mr. Pandit's case, which is a different.
How many witnesses have been?
Just one, Your Lordship.
Only one. How many witnesses are there in all where?
I believe 9 or 10, Your Lordship. 9 or 10.
It's an NDPS matter.
It is, Your Lordship.
In my case, 5-6 witnesses, they have already been examined.
Oh, yours says 13.
13, yes.
It's also NDPS.
Yes. 5 witnesses already examined. Since last 1 year, they are not bringing any witness.
Accommodation is sought for on behalf of the Learned DSGI, who is said to be indisposed. The same not be objected to by the respondents. Matter is accordingly adjourned. This is the same after 3 weeks.
Good.
May I present your Lordship? Lordship, yesterday I was addressing the issue on the applicability of the CRPC, either the CRPC or the new BNS, Your Lordship.
Let the matter be called up, Mr.
Lordship.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Shulai. Yes.
Daily.
Yes, who's appearing?
Yeah, my lord, we were required to file the written argument. The other side has already filed.
Oh, that issue of substitution.
Right, my lord. We will pray for a week's time, my lord. We have already the matter is already drafted, my lord.
You're taking such a long time.
A week's time will suffice, my lord.
I've given you enough time.
A week's time, my lord.
This is probably the 4th, 5th, or 6th time.
This is the second time, my lord, we are seeking time after the respondent had filed their written argument. In fact, we have already done, my lord. Some fine tuning is required, my lord.
1 week's time.
My lord.
The Estafal Letter Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the written synopsis, that that the written argument on behalf of the petitioner could not be filed today, though the same is prepared and has sought for a week's time for the same to be filed. Accordingly, on primate, the same is allowed. This is matter to 1 week. That will be the last chance.
Yes, sir.
Either you file it or
In fact, we are done, my lord. Within this week, we will file it.
Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I'm seeking some accommodation, Your Lordship, on behalf of Senior Counsel, Your Lordship.
why?
She's having some difficulty, Your Lordship. She's having some difficulty, Your Lordship.
I think this court has made it very clear, especially in matters of this kind. Old cases. The parties have to make an effort. Either you proceed with it or you do away with it. That's up to you. But you cannot just go on asking for time from time to time.
I apologize, Your Lordship. Give us a week's time, Your Lordship.
Once again, accommodation has been sought for by the petitioner on the ground of indisposition of the Learned Senior Counsel conducting the matter. This court has time and again impressed upon the parties on the need or press upon the parties that this matter is an old matter which is pending for a number of years. However, in spite of such situation, parties across the board have sought for accommodation from time to time. Though the court would indulge such requests on grounds of personal difficulties, it is incumbent upon the parties to ensure that proceedings are not delayed unnecessarily. Accordingly, the prayer sought for is allowed. It is, however, made clear that the parties should make an earnest endeavor to be heard in this matter on the next date fix. How long?
1 week, Your Lordship.
1 week. As prayed for, this is matter to 1 week.
We are blessed.
Item number 6.
I have similar prayer, Your Lordship, in this matter as well.
Same.
Similar prayer, Your Lordship.
No objection. Oh, but this is a different case altogether. Case of conviction.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So the petitioner is still in custody.
Custody, Your Lordship.
What is the period of detention? How long he has been in custody?
10 years, Your Lordship.
10 years.
10.
Punishment is 10 years or
Your Lordship.
10 years?
Yes, Your Lordship.
How can it be for this court?
Below 10 years.
You don't.
Lordship, actually, I don't have the brief with me, Lordship. That's it. I apologize.
Dismiss the matter then.
Yes, Lordship.
Since you have not shown any interest in proceeding with the matter, then what is the point?
Let it be after 2 weeks, my lord. Criminal appeal we cannot just dismiss also. Revision, criminal revision, stand corrected.
Pre-made by the petitioner seeking adjournment on grounds of personal difficulty, that is adjourned on the same not being objected to by the state respondent. This is matter after 4 weeks.
Item number 7.
Lordship, I was just informed that Mr. Muzika is in hospital today, so I'm ready to accommodate for today. I don't want to make piecemeal submission.
Who's you are appearing on his behalf?
On his behalf, Lordship.
Mr. M.L. Numpil, Learned Counsel, has submitted that the Learned Senior Counsel, Dr. N. Muzika, who is appearing on behalf of the state respondent, is indisposed on grounds of personal difficulty and could not appear for this court today, for which accommodation is sought for. Mr. B.G.K. Kanda, Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, has no objection to the same. Accordingly, let us adjourn. This is the same after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Paperwork, Malad, we have sent it for binding. Malad, it's in the process of being binded. So we are in the process of filing it. Malad, kindly have this matter, Malad, in 2 weeks' time. In the meantime, Malad, the paperwork will be ready. We'll file it.
You could have made a submission when the matter is called up.
Malad, since it's a hearing matter.
One thing that should be made clear: mention would be only if you are seeking adjournment on grounds of personal difficulty or otherwise. But going to the merits of the case, that would not do. But anyway, since you have done it,
Malad, while senior was facing some difficulty, he had some matter that side. He requested me to make a mention.
paperwork is not ready.
Not ready.
Mr. Estapal, counsel for the appellant has submitted that the paperwork could not be, has not yet been prepared, and has sought for time for the same to be prepared and filed. Pray along. This is matter of two.
Let it be 3 weeks, Your Lordship, so that I'll
3 weeks.
prepare. Apply, Your Lordship.
From daily list, item number 1.
And
Any report? No.
Notice is still awaited. Service is still awaited.
So what do we do, Mr. Kumar?
If fresh notice may kindly be issued, fresh notice.
How many respondents are there?
One responding, Miller.
Only one.
Only one.
Mr. A. Kumar, Leonard AG, has submitted that the notice issued upon the sole respondent has not yet been served, inasmuch as the service report has not yet been received by this court. It is, however, submitted that fresh notice may be allowed to be issued upon the said respondent. Pray allowed that notice be issued. This is the matter after 3 weeks.
Grateful, my lord.